Hello, Alaji. Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
I'm fine, Alaji. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thanks for honoring my invitation.
It's not.
Your pocket will never run dry.
Don't mention my fine friend.
Alaji, I have to start going now.
Sensational.
God have mercy upon us.
HOD, my good friend, how are you doing?
Alaji, I'm not fine.
My friend, you have every reason to be fine.
Alaji, I'm not happy. I invite you my sister burial, you know come. Upon say I keep seat, give you.
Kai, my friend, I've been very, very busy. That is why I know come your sister burial. But promise me, I will make it up to you. How many sister do you have?
Alaji, now 4.
How many done that?
Alaji, now 1. You remain 3.
My friend, that is why I say I will make it up to you. Inshallah, if another one of your sister die, I will come for that.
Very wicked man. So you still want my sister to die again? If no beside they respect you, and for use this my head, take no blue.